Hello friends, welcome back to the next video of my C program web series. Here we will discuss more some simple and some advanced level C programs. Starting with how to create an array, and then we have to print all the values that we have entered into that array. Starting with the same header files, then our main function, then we create an array named a of integer type that can contain 10 value and I as a pointer to that array. First we will enter the numbers into our array using this for loop, starting with 0 to less than 10, because array is actually putting a value from 0 to 9. It always starts with the 0 location. And using the scanf we enter the value one by one, and then using the same for loop, but here we use the printf statement to print out all those values that we have entered. Let's build it and then run this program. Here he's setting enter the value. I will just enter the value in a sequential form. Make it easy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. When we press enter, it will print all these. Here, let me resize it. Here, let's jump on to the next program. In this program, we are moving one step ahead of those array. We will create an array of elements, integer values, and then we will sort those values into the ascending order. How we can do that? Starting with the same header files, main function, then we created array A of integer type that can contain 10 values. These are some pointers and variables. So first we will ask how many numbers we want to enter into our array. Here we put 10 as the maximum number of elements in an array, but we can put less than that according to our choice. And then scanf just to print suppose 5. Then we will use the for loop to enter the value one by one into that array, and then we will use another for loop to display all those values entered into that array. Now the next step is how we can sort that one. That's a logic to sort the values in an array into an ascending order, starting with the for loop from 0 to number of element. Then we will increment the value of the last for loop, go up to the number of elements. Then if the next element is less than the previous element, we will swap those elements just to some plus minus, and it will actually replace the location of those two values. And then after that we will print it off. Let's run this program and then you will understand what I'm trying to say. Run it. How many numbers? Suppose we only want to add 5 numbers into our array. Press enter. Now if we say just enter the number, I will enter 1 to 5 but in a random order. 2 4 3 5 1. Now the array we entered is 2 4 3 5 1, but after the sorting it's giving us in an ascending order. Hope you can understand that. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I'll reply to that. Now next program will be to find the area of a triangle. It seems not a difficult one, but I'm just putting it. Maybe difficult for some of the people who just started doing the course. We create 3 different integer type variable: length, breadth and height, and the fourth is the area to calculate the area. First we will enter the length of the triangle, then the breadth of the triangle, then the height of the triangle. And the formula will be length into breadth into height, and the resultant is the area. Let's build this up and run this. Length will be 2, breadth is again 2, height is again 2, and the area is 8. Not too fancy, but yeah, it's a simple kind of program. To find the area and circumference of a circle. In this, we create an R integer type which will give us the radius of the circle. Then 2 float type integer, we consider it as a float because the value may be in decimal points. That's why we create a float type variables, area and the circumference. First we enter the radius of the circle, and to find the area of circle there is a formula that 3.14 into r square, which is r into r, and for the circumference is 2 into 3.14 into radius. Now it will give the area and the circumference. Let's build it and run it. Enter the enter the radius of the circle. Suppose we have a 4 radius. Now that's the area and that's the circumference of the circle. Our next program will be to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. In this we create the 2 variable f and c, f for Fahrenheit, c for Celsius in float value. Then we enter the temperature in Celsius, and then by using this formula we will convert the temperature from Celsius into Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 into Celsius actual temperature plus 32. That's the formula. Let's run it. Suppose it's 98 degrees Celsius. Temperature is 98 degrees Celsius. It should give the Fahrenheit of 234 degree Fahrenheit. Let's run it again, and this time put some different values. Suppose 31 degree Celsius. It's 113 degree Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do like and subscribe my video, and also put some question in the comment section if you want to ask something.